Hi friends, I'm from Regrob.com and today we are visiting at Gaur City Mall, which is located in Greater Noida West. Here in this mall, options are available for lockable space of size 200 square feet onward on 7th to 15th floor. And there is also availability of fully furnished studio apartment on 16th and 17th floor of 485 square feet and 550 square feet. And this is the internal view of Gaur City Mall. This mall offers office space and studio apartment. So this is the view from central part of mall. As you can see, the construction work is going on in full swing. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel. And for site visit and queries, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.